Well, hello, Clive Leach here, down at Windsor Racecourse Marina. It's a very cool, very windy day today, and first of all, I hope you're well, and thank you for tuning in and watching the channel. And don't forget, please, to like it and to make comments. They're always useful, and please subscribe, then you'll always get a notification whenever I post anything new, which may be useful or may not be. I just don't know. We'll see how it comes. So the story is that we are preparing my boat, the Lady Di, and we're going to go to the Mediterranean before very long. And today we're just going to put a bit of clothing on board and all that sort of jazz. So we'll see how we get on as we go along. So the trick now is for me to unpack these 3 bags together with Sydney, and then stow the contents in the respective lockers. Should be fun. Well, that now still leaves plenty of room for my socks and my underwear, so that's just awesome. And if you're wondering where Diana's stuff's going to go, that of course is going to go in the other cabin with huge drawers. So I hope you found that to be of interest. I can't think why you would think it'd be of interest, but who knows. Anyway, please like this, click the like button, that'd be fantastic. And don't forget to leave a comment saying what a stupid video, or what other comments you would like to make. And also please subscribe, because other ones will be interesting. Bye bye for now.